nga ba yung mga food supplements for women na makakatulong sa fitness journey mo? And to answer this question, I would ask help from a new friend, Sir Lyron. Hi sir. So sir, my question is that do you recommend certain food supplements for your female clients? And if you do, what are these supplements? And are they the same supplements that you recommend to your male clients? May difference ba or may special supplements ba yung mga babae?
Hi Anne, good question. Yes, I do recommend food supplementation for both my male and female clients. But to be clear, hindi lahat ng tao ay kailangan ng supplements. Kung nakakakuha ka naman ng sapat na nutrients sa pagkain, hindi mo na talaga kailangan ng maraming supplements. Basic supplements like protein powder, creatine monohydrate, fish oil, and multivitamins are helpful. So bakit kailangan mo gamitin yung protein powder and creatine monohydrate? Dahil yung protein powder ay magandang supplement lalo na kung hindi mo na-hit yung protein intake mo, which is essential sa pag-build ng muscle. Same din naman sa creatine monohydrate, tutulungan ka nito para mas malakas ka magbuhat sa gym and at the same time, mas mabilis yung recovery mo. Plus, yung creatine monohydrate ay tutulungan yung muscle mo para isaturate ng water, making it look bigger. Kaya if you want to hit your protein intake, gain muscle and gain strength, yung combo ng whey protein and creatine monohydrate yung bagay sa'yo.
Thank you, sir. And my second question pa po ako, and I get these questions a lot, especially from women who juggle so many things, working graveyard shift. Does lack of sleep negatively affect your body's ability to burn fat and or build muscles?
Yes, Anne. Napakalaking epekto kung kulang ka sa tulog, lalo na kung gusto mong mag-lose ng fat and mag-build ng muscle. Dahil kapag kulang yung tulog mo, tumataas yung hormone na tinatawag na cortisol. And kapag mataas yung cortisol, mataas din yung stress level. Ito rin yung isa kaya mabagal yung pag-build mo ng muscle and pag-lose ng fat. Pagdating sa fat loss and muscle building, 7 to 9 hours of sleep ang recommended for most people. Which is important dahil dito nagre-recover yung katawan natin, lalo na sa muscle repair after workout. Ngayon, kung graveyard shift ka, mas okay kung makukumpleto mo pa rin yung 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Ang importante ay kumpleto ka sa sleep schedule mo kahit umaga ka natutulog. Here's a tip. You can use blackout curtains or sleep mask para hindi ka magising sa liwanag and makatulog ka ng maayos. So that's it. I hope na nasagot ko yung tanong tungkol sa supplementation and kung gaano kahalaga yung sleep kung gusto mong mag-build ng muscle and mag-lose ng fat.